FP Development's TrayLoader, designed for efficient, compliant material handling in CGMP environments. Recipe-driven control automatically stages bottles or vials for accurate, repeatable tray loading. Each cycle aligns and transfers product cleanly from conveyor to tray, without disrupting line flow. Operators can remove full trays while the system continues to run, supporting uninterrupted operation. Quick tray exchange keeps productivity high and downtime low. Pass-through mode allows containers to bypass the tray when needed, maintaining flexibility on the line. Tool-free, recipe-based changeover enables transitions between container sizes in under 3 minutes. A compact footprint and heavy-duty construction deliver reliable performance across formats, efficient handling, flexible by design, built for compliant operations.